This is the complete guide to Descript, the podcast and video editor that replaces the timeline with a text document. Delete a word from the transcript and that moment vanishes from the footage. By the end of this video you will know exactly how the text-based editing workflow works, how Overdub lets you fix any spoken mistake by typing, how Studio Sound cleans up any audio in one click, every AI feature Descript includes, how it compares to Premiere, CapCut, Riverside, and Otter, every pricing plan, and the real workflows creators and businesses are running in Descript right now. Let us get into it. Descript is a podcast and video editor with a fundamentally different approach. Instead of a traditional timeline, Descript transcribes your recording and gives you a text document that is directly linked to the footage. Edit the text, cut sentences, delete words, rearrange paragraphs, and the video updates automatically to match. Descript was founded by Andrew Mason, the creator of Groupon, and launched in 2017 with the goal of making professional audio and video editing accessible to people who have never touched a timeline editor. In 2024, Descript was acquired by Spotify as part of Spotify's expansion into creator tools. The platform is used by solo podcasters, YouTube creators, corporate communications teams, and agencies. The free tier includes 1 hour of transcription with no credit card required. Let me walk through every major Descript feature. Text-based editing. The transcript is directly linked to your footage. Edit one and the other updates automatically. Overdub. Your voice is cloned from a short recording. Any spoken mistake can be fixed by typing the correction. Descript inserts your cloned voice into the audio seamlessly. Studio Sound. One click applies AI noise reduction and echo removal to any recording, regardless of how poor the original acoustic environment was. Filler word removal. Descript scans the entire transcript and removes every like, and custom word you specify instantly. Screen recording. Built-in screen and webcam capture with no separate tool needed. Eye contact correction. AI repositions your gaze in webcam footage so you appear to be looking directly into the lens. Green screen. Removes your webcam background without physical green screen hardware. And multicam editing, sync and switch between multiple camera angles from a single composition. Here is exactly how the text-based editing workflow works from the beginning. You import any audio or video file and Descript transcribes it automatically, typically within a few minutes for a 30-minute recording. The resulting transcript has every word timestamped and linked to the corresponding moment in the footage. To make an edit, select any word or sentence in the transcript and delete it. That moment disappears from the video. No scrubbing. No in and out points. To rearrange, cut and paste sections of the transcript like a document, the footage reorders to match instantly. Silences and gaps can be automatically compressed or removed in bulk using the gap removal settings. Clicking any word in the transcript jumps the playhead to that exact frame, giving you word-level precision without any timeline scrubbing. Descript also auto-detects scene breaks and organizes them as chapters. When you are done, export directly to MP4, generate a shareable review link, or publish to YouTube without leaving the app. Here is how to get started with Descript. Step 1. Go to Descript.com and create a free account. 1 hour of transcription is included, no card needed. Step 2. Create a new project and import your recording. Drag and drop any audio or video file MP3, MP4, WAV, or MOV and Descript begins transcribing immediately. Step 3. Read the transcript. Find any filler word, false start, or unwanted sentence, select it, and hit delete. Watch that moment disappear from the video in real time. Step 4. Apply Studio Sound to clean the audio in one click, run filler word removal to strip every and out automatically, then export as an MP4 or share a review link directly with your client or audience. Overdub is one of Descript's most powerful features and the one that saves the most re-recording time. Step 1. Clone your voice. You read a provided script for around 10 minutes in a quiet room with any microphone. Descript processes the recording and builds a voice model that takes 10 to 15 minutes to train. Step 2. Find the mistake. Click the incorrect word in the transcript and Descript highlights that exact moment in the footage. Step 3. type the correction directly in the transcript. Replace the wrong word or phrase with what you actually meant to say. No microphone. No re-recording. No going back into the booth. Step 4. Descript generates your cloned voice speaking the correction and inserts it into the audio seamlessly, indistinguishable from the original recording in most cases. For podcasters, Descript is the closest thing to an all-in-one production pipeline. Recording, Descript has built-in remote recording for guests. Each participant records locally so there is no quality loss over the internet connection. Tracks sync automatically with speaker detection applied. Editing, text-based editing means cutting a 60-minute interview down to 40 minutes takes a fraction of the time it would in a traditional editor. Filler words, crosstalk, and dead air are removed automatically. Cleaning, studio sound fixes any microphone in any room. Even phone recordings become broadcast quality with one click. And Overdub fixes any host mistake without re-recording a single line. Publishing, export directly to MP3, generate chapter markers from scene breaks, and use the transcript to auto-generate show notes and episode descriptions with AI. The entire pipeline from raw recording to published episode lives in one tool. For YouTube and video creators, Descript removes the timeline entirely for the editing workflows that matter most. Talking head videos, the most common YouTube format, are edited by reading the transcript and deleting what you do not want. Eye contact correction means you can record while reading notes, and Descript makes you appear to be looking directly into the lens. Green screen removes your webcam background without physical hardware. The built-in screen recorder captures tutorial content with webcam overlay included. Auto chapters generates YouTube chapter markers automatically from your scene breaks, no manual timestamp work. Captions are generated and exported as burnt-in captions or SRT files in one step. Templates let you apply intros, outros, and brand elements to every episode from a saved layout. And review links let you share a password-protected link for client or collaborator feedback before you publish. Here is every AI feature Descript includes and what each one does in practice. Overdub, voice cloning that lets you fix any spoken mistake by typing the correction. Studio sound, AI-powered noise reduction and echo removal applied in one click, works on any recording, any microphone. Filler word removal, automatic detection and deletion of like, and any custom words you specify across the entire transcript. Eye contact correction, AI analysis and repositioning of your gaze direction in webcam footage. Green screen, AI background removal without physical green screen hardware. AI show notes, generates a podcast episode description directly from the transcript. AI titles, suggests episode title options based on the content of the recording. And Underlord, Descript's chat-based AI editing assistant, lets you describe edits in plain language, trim the intro, cut the last 30 seconds, make this tighter, and Underlord executes them. Who is Descript for? Solo podcasters are the core audience. The text-based workflow cuts episode editing time dramatically without requiring timeline skills. YouTube creators use Descript primarily for talking head content and tutorials where the text edit approach is fastest. Corporate communications teams use Descript for internal video updates and town halls. The review link feature makes sign-off workflows simple. Agencies and freelance editors use it to turn around client deliverables faster. Course creators use Descript for lecture and tutorial recordings where clean audio and accurate captions are essential. Journalists and reporters use Overdub and the transcript for interview clips and show notes. And remote teams use Descript's async video feature to communicate with recorded messages rather than scheduling more meetings. Here is what people are actually doing with Descript right now. Weekly podcasters are editing entire episodes from transcript to publish in under 30 minutes, no hired editor, no timeline work. YouTube creators are recording on a phone microphone and using studio sound to produce audio that sounds like a professional studio setup. Corporate teams are recording all-hands meetings and editing them for internal publishing in hours. Freelance podcast editors are managing 8 or more client shows simultaneously across separate Descript projects without context switching tools. Course creators are building full lecture series with automatic burnt-in captions and chapter markers generated from the transcript. Journalists are clipping specific highlights from a 2-hour interview transcript in minutes. Remote teams are replacing status update meetings with async video recordings edited in Descript. And agencies are applying branded templates, consistent intros, outros, and lower thirds across every client video deliverable. Here is the honest comparison. Versus Premiere Pro, Descript requires no timeline skills. Premiere is far deeper for professional color grading, effects, and multicam work. Versus Final Cut Pro, Descript is cross-platform and cloud-based. Final Cut has better Mac performance and the magnetic timeline for complex edits. Versus CapCut, Descript has Overdub and studio sound. CapCut is faster for short-form social content with built-in templates and effects. Versus Riverside.fm, Descript is a full editor after recording. Riverside produces higher quality remote recordings, particularly at the audio level. Versus Otter.ai, Descript includes video editing and Overdub. Otter is built for meeting transcription and transcript search across an organization. Versus Adobe Podcast, Descript is a complete video and audio editing suite. Adobe Podcast has deeper audio enhancement and tighter Creative Cloud integration. The honest summary: Descript is the clear choice for podcasters and talking head video creators who want a fast, clean workflow without traditional editing skills. 8 tips that cut your Descript editing time significantly. 1. Apply studio sound before you do anything else. It sets your audio baseline and makes the transcript easier to read and edit. 2. Run filler word removal before you read the transcript. The and count drops dramatically and you see a cleaner document from the start. 3. Add any names or technical terms Descript consistently misreads to your custom dictionary. It stops transcription errors from appearing in every project. 4. Set gap removal to 0.3 seconds. This removes dead air automatically without making the pace feel rushed. 5. Name your scenes during the edit. Those names become YouTube chapter titles on export, with no extra work. 6. Always share a review link before exporting. It saves at least one revision round in almost every project. 7. Build a master composition with your intro, outro, and branding, then duplicate it for each new episode. 8. Use Overdub only for single words and short phrases. Multi-sentence regenerations are less natural and take longer to sound right. Descript pricing. The free plan includes 1 hour of transcription, enough to test the workflow on a real episode, but exports are watermarked and AI features are limited. Hobbyist is $24 a month, 10 hours of transcription, Overdub voice cloning, 4K export, and no watermark. The right plan for a solo creator publishing weekly. Creator is $40 a month, unlimited transcription, every AI feature including studio sound and filler word removal, and eye contact correction. This is the plan most serious podcasters and YouTube creators need. Business is $80 a month, team collaboration with custom roles, advanced publishing workflows, and priority support. My recommendation: start free to evaluate the text-based editing workflow. Move to Hobbyist when you need Overdub and watermark-free output. Upgrade to Creator when you need unlimited transcription and all AI features. Here is everything you need. Start at Descript.com, free account, 1 hour of transcription, no credit card. Upgrade to Hobbyist at $24 when you need Overdub and watermark-free output. Upgrade to Creator at $40 when you need unlimited transcription and every AI feature, both plans at Descript.com/pricing. If your priority is the highest quality remote recording before you edit, Riverside at Riverside.fm is worth comparing, link in the description. All links are below. If this guide helped you understand what Descript can do, subscribe. I publish complete, honest guides to every major AI tool every week. Now go edit something faster. See you in the next one.